Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock which Porinju Veliyath thinks could be a 5-bagger over the next 5 to 6 years. Now, for those of you who do not know what a 5-bagger is, it essentially means a stock which multiplies 5 times from its purchase price. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, if you are not already a member on our channel, please click on the join button and follow the steps. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. This includes being added to our member-only group where we provide our opinions on individual stocks and portfolios. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Tata Global Beverages Limited, which is available at Rs 234.35 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is TATAGLOBAL. Now Tata Global Beverages Limited is a beverage company engaged in the trading, production and distribution of tea, coffee and water. The company's principal activities include processing and blending of tea, including manufacture of instant tea. Now speaking on a recent television interview, Porinju Veliyath added that Tata Global Beverages or Tata Chemicals was at a time bigger than the Nestle's and Colgate's of the world. Now the Tata Group is consolidating them and looking at it as a consumer company. That is why they are perhaps changing the name from Tata Global Beverages to Tata Consumer after merging the consumer division of Tata Chemicals. He went on to disclose that his fund and he himself have a holding in the stock. Further, he went on to add that the company is currently around Rs 15,000 crores market cap, maybe around Rs 20,000 crores after the merger. However, he felt that over the next 5 to 6 years, there is a potential for this company to cross 1 lakh crore market cap if it is well managed. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company had been on a disappointing downtrend. However, over the last few days after Narendra Modi returned to power, there has been a huge spike. The company is a mid-cap with a market capitalization of 14,768.44 crores. The EPS of 6.47 translates into an expensive price to earnings ratio of 36.17 when compared with the industry PE of 29.90. The price to book ratio of 1.77 is however not wildly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.1939, whereas the return on equity for this company is slightly disappointing and stands at 0.0568. The dividend yield here is 1.07%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is a disappointing figure at 34.45%. Also, 3.99% of the promoter's holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. We are providing a link to the source for this video in the description section. Please go through it to build more conviction around your investment decision. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.